Today, let's learn about these bright red vehicles and machines. From agile cars or large construction and agricultural machines to powerful trains and planes. Are you ready? Let's go! Double-decker bus. This is a double-decker bus. A city icon with open views, it carries passengers through busy streets and famous landmarks. Light rail. This is a red light rail. Sleek and quiet, it connects people across the city with smooth rides and eco-power. Sugarcane harvester. This is a red sugarcane harvester. It slices tall canes with precision and power, turning fields into sweet harvests. Freight train. This is a red freight train. It roars down endless tracks, pulling tons of cargo with unstoppable power and crimson pride. Open-top bus. This is a red open-top bus. Tourists love it. Wind in their hair, cameras flashing, the city glowing all around. Play Airlines. This is Play Airlines, a bright red airplane soaring through the skies, connecting continents with joy, speed, and Icelandic charm. Coast Guard helicopter. This is a red Coast Guard helicopter. It hovers above wild seas, braving storms to rescue those in danger below. Fire truck. This is a red fire truck. With sirens blazing and lights flashing, it rushes through the city to battle flames and save lives. Concrete mixer truck. This is a red concrete mixer truck. Its spinning red drum keeps concrete alive and ready as it rolls across construction zones. Rice harvester. This is a red rice harvester. It glides through golden fields, slicing and collecting rice with precision and fiery energy. Fire rescue bus. This is a red fire rescue bus. It speeds to emergencies, carrying brave heroes, tools, and hope where it's needed most. Sugar beet harvester. This is a red sugar beet harvester. It powers through muddy fields, lifting beets with unstoppable energy and precision. Rescue helicopter. This is a red rescue helicopter. It races to danger zones, saving lives with courage, speed, and heart. Onion harvester. This is a red onion harvester. It moves through the fields, digging and cleaning onions with steady rhythm and precision. Electric locomotive. This is a red electric locomotive. Smooth, powerful, and silent, it glides along rails with modern speed and style. Dump truck. This is a red dump truck. With thunderous strength, it lifts and drops heavy loads, building the foundations of progress. Minibus. This is a red minibus. Small, quick, and friendly. It zips through the streets carrying smiles wherever it goes. Seaplane. This is a red seaplane. It lands on waves and lifts into the sky, dancing between sea and air with effortless grace. vintage bus. This is a red vintage bus, a rolling memory from the past, shining bright with classic curves in timeless charm. Funicular. This is a red funicular. It climbs steep hills with ease, carrying passengers up and down scenic slopes in perfect harmony. Twin piston plane. This is a red twin piston plane. Twin engines roar as it cuts through clouds, light and fast like a scarlet bird. Potato harvester. This is a red potato harvester. It digs gently through the soil, revealing golden treasures hidden underground. If you want to explore and learn about any means of transport, please comment below the video. Thank you for watching.